All right, guys, today I want to do a full unboxing and review on my WALLOPTON folding knife. I do want to say thanks to the company for sending this in for a review. So let's go ahead and check it out. All right, so it comes in this carrying case. Very, very cool. Put that onto something right there. Put it, strap it to your belt. And here's the knife itself. Ooh, it's got some nice weight to it. Got that carbon fiber finish on the handle. Got a nice clip. Very cool. And then I think, yep, so there's a tool. If you want to adjust any of these, tighten, loosen, you can definitely do that. But let's go ahead and take a look at the knife. Very cool. So it does have a lock right here. It does also have here so that it doesn't, like when you're cutting something, it's like a better grip for it. And then right here is kind of like a little protection for your finger. Very, very cool. It's got the branding on there. And then for the lock, you literally just simply move it over and there you go. I should be able to just hit this. Yep, see, one hand operation on the knife. This is really, really nice. I'm gonna try it out real quick. Got some cardboard here. I'll do it right here where you kind of see it. It's really, really good. This is like your everyday carry knife for sure. At it fully extended is 7.88 inches, and then folded, so right here, 4.34 inches, and then the blade itself, this one is 3.54 inches. So like I said, it's not huge, but it's definitely enough for that you can carry it around every day. This would make a great gift, especially if they're like someone that was into outdoors or anything like that, or camping. Like I said, it's just nice to have. So if you're looking for a very nice blade, I would highly recommend this one. Definitely a 10 out of 10.